30 minutes or 2 to 3 days ain't uncommon, but it has been up to a week. To your left, $50 holler. That's a great place to take the youngins. They love to ride that little carousel. Parents love to sit on those little benches. And bears at the holler, you can take the youngins in there and they can stuff themselves a little bear for the ride home. And everybody wants a little bear for the ride home. Hey gentlemen, up ahead to your left, you're going to see a 2-story green building. Well, that's a Silver Dollar Saloon. That's home to some of our prettiest, some of our longest legs you're going to find here at Silver Dollar City. Yeah, and that's just on the bar stools. So go in there later on today, belly up to the barn, get yourself a big old frosty root beer loaf. And just past the saloon is Fire in the Hole. Everybody yell Fire in the Hole.
Fire in the hole!
Come on, let them hear it. Fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole!
Yeah, those nasty Baltimore's come to town last night and they set half our town on fire. Now the fire chief is looking for some volunteers to help put that fire out. Fire in the hole! And to your right, well, you're going to have to wait a little bit longer to find out what that is, but I believe you're going to like it. Hey, Wilson's Farm. Farmer Wilson, he built himself a big old barn. He built himself even a bigger barn. And that thing's going to take you 80 foot up to Ralphie and out at 60 miles an hour. Yeah, there's no chickens in that barn. Hey, I can tell by the looks on some of your faces you're worried about the old brakes on this ride. Well, worry no more. No, we run on the best brakes money can buy. Yes, you do. And they're on back order. Should be here next week. In the meantime, I need everybody to hold your hands up real high above your head. Hold them up here real high. Hold them up, ladies. Now go away. Alrighty, now you know the emergency procedure in case something does happen to the old brakes. No, if something should happen to the brakes on this ride, if you look down on the floor, there'll be a black button. Made you look. Lady in the back seat, she wouldn't raise her hands up. Boy, she's looking for that black button. To your left is the powder keg, our cannon coaster. That thing shoots you from 0 to 60 in 2.5 heartbeats. I guess that's when I passed out. And to your right, Outlaw Run. Outlaw Run, where the good guys always win. Outlaw Run was voted best new ride in the world for 2013, but I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Outlaw Run later because I just got word back at the depot that those Bowens, Alfie and Ralphie, have escaped from jail again, and they've been seen out here in the area. Everybody go, oh no!
Oh no!
So I need everybody keep your eyes open, your fingers crossed, and if you have any gold and silver in your mouth, better keep your mouth shut. Lady, I said your mouth shut. Now we're coming up on the engineer's favorite part of a ride, moonshine stump. You see, we got this local moonshiner that lives out here someplace. Well, he likes to keep a free sample out by the track for people who pass by. If anybody wants off to get them a free snort, well, we can drop you off and pick you up on our way back by. And I do mean pick you up. Yeah, my grandpappy used to call that frog water. He'd say, Sonny, you take a sip of that and you're going to be a hopping. 2 sips, you're going to turn a little green, and 3 sips, you're broke. Ribbit. Ribbit. Now we're coming up on the only tragedy of a Frisco Silver Dollar line, a wreck of engine 82. A few years ago, we had this engineer by the name of Ichabod Q. Peabody. Well, he tried to take this 2.5 mile an hour curve at some reckless blazing speed of 6.7 miles an hour. Needless to say, he didn't make it. But don't you worry about Ichabod. Now, we dug around under that wreckage. We found him, pulled him out, put him in a clean shirt, washed his face, gave him another jug of moonshine, and I'll give you 3 guesses who's running your engine today. Yep, it's Ichabod. Hey, Ichabod, if you're sober up there, give me 3 toots on that whistle, please. Oh, boy, I said 3. Well, he never could count. Last week I said, Ichabod, I bet you don't even know what 3 and 1 is. He said, well, everybody knows 3 and 1's an oil. Oh, I do need to remind everybody to keep your arms inside. We are in snake country. Yeah, just last week we had a 97-pound rattle-headed copper moccasin reached up, grabbed a little old lady, yanked her off a ride, and we ain't seen hide nor hair of her or the snake since. But we did find her husband. Yes, he's down at the Silver Dollar Saloon every night. He's buying drinks for everybody, singing "Happy Days Are Here Again," crying on the shoulder of a pretty little old saloon gal. Happy days are here. Thank you very much. Y'all be in town all week. Hey, goodbye. What's going on up there? This is not a scheduled stop. Folks, it looks like there's somebody up there flagging us down. I'm going to hop off here and find out what the problem. Oh, you talk about a couple snakes. It's Alfie and Ralphie Bowen.
Uh-oh.
Hey, let's see if we can scare them off. Shake your fist at them and yell ugly.
Ugly!
No, come on. I wouldn't scare a church mouse off a piece of cheese. Now, you shake your fist at them real good and go ugly.
Ugly!
Ugly? Oh, yeah?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Three people. Oh, yeah.
I said, oh, yeah.
Yeah!
As good as it's going to get.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we might be ugly. Y'all are the ones that rode 2 miles out here to see us.
We didn't come out here to see you. What are you doing flagging me down out here in the middle of snake country?
Well, now you just need to simmer down a bit. We stopped you to warn you.
Warn me?
Yep.
Warn me about what?
Yankees!
Yankees?
Oh, buddy. Up there around that bend, there's 9 of them. 9 of the biggest old Yankees you ain't never gonna see.
Yeah?
Yeah, they got these big old wooden war clubs. They're swinging and a swatting, but they ain't hitting nothing.
Why ain't they hitting nothing?
I think they're New York Yankees.
There ain't been any Yankees in these woods going on 50 years.
50 years? They're back.
What?
They're back.
They're back?
Yeah. Well, they're 50 years older. They're moving a lot slower, kind of like you. But they're back, and they're mean.
How do you know they're mean?
Last night, me and Ralphie, we sneaked up on them in the bushes. Heard them a-talking.
Well, what'd they say?
The bushes, they didn't say nothing.
No, the Yankees. What'd the Yankees say?
Oh, the Yankees. Well, Ralphie, you got closer, you can tell them.
They said,
Whee! Yeah!
hey, hey, hey.
Hey.
Word for a Yankee word.
Well, I guess I don't understand Yankee. What do you think it means? What's it mean?
We ciphered it out for you.
Uh-huh.
That means they're gonna swoop down on your train.
Whee!
Burn her to the rails.
Yeah!
Steal all the women.
Hey.
They can have that one in the back seat. I ain't buying this Yankee story.
You don't have to, it's free. Oh,
But for the safety of the passengers, I'll go up here and take a look.
I think that's a good idea.
Hey, hold up there a minute, Speedy. I got another good idea.
on the roller coaster right there.
Well, I do. Stay away from my passengers. Because if I come back and find you anywhere near them, especially her, I'll give you two a big surprise.
Surprise!
Wait, we like surprises. What you got?
Another belly button?
Oh.
Give my surprise to Ralph.
Yeah, you give my surprise to Ralph. But I'm Ralph.
I know you're Ralph.
I don't want another belly button.
Why not?
I got one already. Another to make it a naval reserve.
Your own sitting there.
Oh, yeah.
All right, folks, in case you ain't figured it out by now, you're in a heaping mess of trouble. We're the Bolins. I'm Alfie J. Bolin. This here's my brother Ralph. Everybody say hi, Ralph.
Hi, Ralph.
What we have here, folks, is a stick-up. Are we moving way too fast for y'all? Oh, boy.
Yep.
Best joke in the show. Y'all better laugh at that one. In other words, it's a train robbery. So I want everybody, and I mean everybody, get your hands up in the air and act scared.
Everybody?
Everybody, Ralph, come on. Get him up. 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 Up.
Ah!
Ralph, check this out. Can you believe they're putting their hands up just because I told them to? They're all sitting there with their hands up in the air. Ralph, what do you do?
I got my hands up acting scared like you said.
Ralph, you're on my side.
I know that's what scares me.
Yeah. If I told you to jump off a cliff into a pile of rocks, you gonna do that?
Not again.
Come on, we gotta trade to Rob. I tell you what, I'm gonna take the back cars. You get these high rollers up front.
High rollers.
Now we want to get on the gold.
Gold.
Silver.
Silver.
Copper and dollars.
Copper and daughters. Hey.
Hi, girls. No, not dollars. It's dollars. Dollars. DAWLRZ. Dollars. Yankee money.
Oh, I like Yankee
I
money.
do too. Gets robbed the train.
Gold, silver.
Everybody gold or silver?
Pay attention now. I'm trying to rob you.
Gold, silver. It all. Lunchtime, baby.
Gold, silver. Yeah.
Gold, silver.
Gold, silver.
Copper.
Oh, I'm watching you. Gold, silver.
Silver. What about you, buddy? You look
I
like
can take a check if y'all got 2 IDs. Well, now you just bust out a deal. You still got your
y'all got any
stripes
cents
on.
back here?
My goodness.
Gold, silver, copper.
Woohoo! Thank you. All right, I'm gonna need to back this train up and go again.
Oh, thank you so much. Gold or silver, copper.
Gold, silver. Y'all got
You
any
all
cents up here?
jobs?
Yeah.
High five. I'm back
No
up the train, Rob.
cents?
You two again.
I guess y'all
Thank
are
you
just
so much.
senseless, huh?
Hey, cutie.
Now, what about you, lady? You look
Here
loaded.
you go. Any gold or silver?
I see that glassy look over
Happy
your eyes.
birthday.
Woohoo! Thank you. All right, I'm gonna need back this.
Oh no. There's a troublemaker back here.
Ralphie,
You got any gold or
Hey,
silver?
what?
what are you doing?
I was just talking to some friends.
Well, I'm about ready to give you something to talk about.
What's that?
Oh,
Lead.
come on, buddy.
No, I don't want no
Come on.
lead.
Why
We'll
not?
run the train together.
I run better unleaded.
Oh, your sister up the hill?
Call her what?
Call her up the hill.
She don't like that, but up the hill.
I don't like that.
That's not what I meant.
That is what you said.
You are that close to an idiot.
Not anymore.
That's not what I
That's
meant.
good, Ralph. What's going on up here?
I walked clear to that tunnel and back, and there's no Yankees down there.
No Yankees?
Oh, but I come back and I find you robbing my passengers.
Well, we're sorry about that.
Don't tell me you're sorry. Tell them you're sorry.
Ralph, tell them you're sorry.
You're sorry.
No, I'm just gonna walk down here and blast a bowling.
Uh-oh, you're bowling.
You're bowling.
Better run.
Well, run where?
Find a tree.
Find a tree.
You
What
better
do I
find
do with
a-
it?
Hide behind it.
You better find a place to hide. Tree's got a fork in it.
It does?
Yeah,
Where?
right there.
Whoa.
Wait a second. This tree really does have a fork in it.
How did he know that?
Maybe he's psychotic.
He must be.
I got a headache.
It'll go away. It'll feel better when the pain goes away.
Oh, I hope so.
Alfie, Ralphie, give him a hand, folks. They're out there all day long robbing
See you later.
Bring more money next time.
Bye, buddy.
Rob y'all later. Don't feed the squirrels.
Don't be the conductor.
I will. Woo! Oh my god, that was hilarious. I got the whole thing.
Oh boy, y'all having a good time? Boy, we sure are. Hey, if you're having a good time and you bought yourself a day pass, remember on your way out of the park tonight, you can take that day pass for a few dollars more. You can exchange it for a season pass. Then you can come back and ride us all year, and we still got a great year left. We got some new shows. We got a brand new festival this fall, the Pumpkin Harvest. You can come back and see me. Now up ahead and to your left, I told you I would tell you a little bit more about Outlaw Run. Outlaw Run is so fast, it's moved to our left-hand side. I don't know how it does that. That's a 162-foot drop at an 81-degree angle, 68 miles an hour when you hit the bottom of that drop. It's one of the fastest, one of the largest, and the very first coaster in the world to turn you upside down, and Outlaw Run's not going to do it once. It's to turn you upside down 3 times. Now, I do need to remind everybody to remain seated. Keep those hands, arms, and legs inside place. Also, at this time, I'd like to say thank you to all the active duty military personnel on board and all of our veterans on board. You know, we live in a great country. That's because of the sacrifices you all make for us.
Woo!
Now, up ahead to your left, that's a roundhouse. That's where the engineers clean, maintain, and service our ride, and where we clean and maintain our engineers. Both need a little maintenance from time to time, but the first thing you're going to notice about our roundhouse, well, it's square. Now, we're going to be making a short stop here to switch out our engineers. So please remain seated, we'll be back to moving here in no time. Even on the day like this, it gets mighty hot up there with a steam engine. So every couple hours we do have to switch them out. Let's give Ichabod a hand. He has kept us moving for the last 2 hours. Thank you, Ichabod. Go down there and moonshine stump and get yourself a tool to drink.
Oh, can I ride the screen again?
Now up ahead and to your right, you're going to see Fireman's Landing. Fireman's Landing is dedicated to all the firefighters in the country. God bless each and every one of them for what they do for us. Be sure to check that area out before you leave it, Martha. Fire Department Patch Collection. Now we're coming up on the final crossing of our little journey. These folks have waited for us to go by. So as we pass by, what do you say we wave and give them all a great big old howdy? Car number 1, wave and yell howdy. Car number 2, wave and yell howdy.
Howdy!
Car number 3, wave and yell howdy. And car number 4, wave and yell howdy.
Hey, he's got a True Value hat.
Don't take all your loose articles off, or all your packages behind, all your trash and all your relatives, and all your trashy relatives. You don't want them, I don't want them. Also, I need everyone to remain seated. Please remain seated until I get the all clear to get off, because we do have a tendency to jerk a little bit and roll backwards when we stop, so please wait. Again, this is for your safety. Remain seated until I get the all clear. Wait, please. Wait, please. Remain seated. Wait. There you go, folks. Have a great day. God bless you. Come back and see us real soon. Bye-bye.